Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you that you can create an amazing automation that will be trigger on cart abandonment on your e-commerce or any store, and upon after that you can run a sequence of emails or SMS on your cart abandoned leads, and I'm pretty sure that up to 70 or at 80% cart abandonments can be recovered. I have some real-time uh, stats to show you, so just take a look. You can see I just deployed this about a week before, and in this we have 15 abandoned carts, and 13 have been recovered. So total of 63 abandoned cards we have recovered. 13 card abandons, and the worth is 3,445, and it can be up to thousands or hundreds of dollars as the time pass. So first, the integration is quite simple. Just you have to go to your WordPress, and their WordPress you have to. I am going to show you the real-time scenario of WooCommerce. For it is not only limited to WooCommerce WordPress. It is can also be applied in any card abandonment. You just have to set up a webhook that I will show you that how to do this. That's quite simple. So card abandonment is not pre pre-built with the WooCommerce. So what do you have to do? You have to go to the plugins. So you have to go and install the plugin. The name of plugin is card abandonment. So I can show you here. You can see where it should be. I think okay. I think we should search this because it is taking time. Card. Okay, cart flow. WooCommerce cart abandonment recovery. You just have to search there cart abandonment. So it will be show there. So you just have to install this one and activate this one. As you will activate, and we go to the WooCommerce, you can see here is the cart abandonment. So after that, what do you have to do? Go to the settings, setting, and then we have to scroll down. These are the multiple settings. You can just you can read all this and go through what you like. We have to go to the where is the enable sending allow. Okay, this one is the webhook. Okay, I just clicked here. Now we have to place the link of our webhook here. So we go to the our workflow. I have already created these workflows. I will go through, also go to this one. So this is the webhook URL. We have to copy this one because I have already tested this. So this response is here. You can see there is no other response. We're just going to put this one in here, and then we are going to trigger sample, and also we are going to save these changes. Okay, as it saves, we go here and we just see. So you can see a new response has been came here. So this response, you can see this is the value of the leads. I'm gonna show you that how we are gonna use this. So as the webhook triggers, after that you have to set create contact. You have to put this section because this contacts will not be created by itself, because this is a response of a response in a webhook. So we have to create a contact manually in workflow. So create contact, these are the fields of GoHighLevel, and we just have to map the fields of WooCommerce here. For that, for example, we go here, we have to inbound webhook. You can see full name, last name, all these things are here. So you can create some new custom fields, like I created order status and cart total. You have to create this and just map all the fields here. After that, there is an internal notification. This internal notification is specifically for me to remind me that another cart that has been occurred, and I just feel very happy. So after, not from card abandonment, after card recovery. So just we have to, this is an internal notification. You can set this or not. After that, we have multiple conditions, like because we have to track card abandonment, abandoned and card completed, or you can say card recovery. For that, I am just put an if condition, and here I have two branches. The first one is order status is abandoned. So from where I just set this, from here you can go, as you when you click here, so you contact, these are the multiple filter, but I have to go here inbound webhook triggers, and here we have to set order status. Order status is, and it will be abandoned. I think it should be abandoned. Abandoned. Okay, let just me cancel this one and set again. Okay, card abandoned. And the next branch is completed. So this is the same webhook that will abandon the card, or that will trigger on when the card will be completed. That when someone that has already be abandoned card, but now he has purchased, so that is the recovery. So I just created this workflow to distribute both leads. Either they will be cancelled, or sorry, either they will be abandoned or completed. So now we will migrate those leads to the specific workflows. So if that will be abandoned card, it will be go to the abandoned workflow. If it will be completed, it will be sent to the completed workflow. So that's okay, fine. Now we'll go to the our next workflow, and first of all we will go to the Sky Energy abandoned card. So at the card will be abandoned, that will go to our first flow. From there, if the status is abandoned, then it will be sent to here. Here we have set a tag WordCommerce WC abandoned card, and then we have also created an opportunity. So where this opportunity we have to create it, this is a critical question. Okay, so we have marked winback pipeline. You have to create another pipeline for your winback, you can say winback automation. And in winback you have two stages, one for the card abandonment, card abandoned, and one for card recovery. Okay, we say card abandoned, we just blank, we have to leave the blank, leave it blank. And then we have opportunity source. I have to just rename it to the account of my client. Okay, and also WooCommerce. So okay, I have updated the source opportunity value. This values I picked from our webhook. So if the value will be 30, the opportunity value also be 30, and we just have to status is open, and just save this that one. Okay, and after that I just put 1 hour and 99. They don't bother about this. This is according that is my own logic, because I have to apply some other things on it. So we just have to leave it here, because you can send SMS here. If the card is abandoned, you can send an email here. You just have to put all your sequence right here. For you can send an email or SMS instantly, or you can send email after 1 day, after 1 hour. That's up to you. So these email or SMS that will be responsible for the recovery of abandoned card. So that is the abandoned card workflow. And next, the second one is the completed card workflow. So this workflow will be triggered when the person that have already abandoned the card, now he has the recovery of that transaction. So we can say the lead will be come here, that has been recovered card. So what we have to do here, we just have to update the our tag, because that tag is already added. Okay, so as it will be completed, it is a good way to remove that lead from our abandoned card sequence. Okay, that is abandoned card sequence, because in it may be possible that we are sending email or SMS in our abandoned card workflow. So we have to remove that lead from there, because now we have recovered the card. Now no need to send him more SMS or emails. And remove from Jellymask abandoned card. Okay, that is correct. That is not correct. And also we just have to remove this one, because this is not necessarily okay. After that we have to create the opportunity, and where we have to create the opportunity in the win back pipeline, and the pipeline stage is card recovered. So now the opportunity will be moved from abandoned card to card recovered. And opportunity source, it should be, I think it should be same like that we have already. And Jalima WooCommerce card abandoned, we have to card completed. Okay, now the source will be this one. Okay, then we have to hit the save button. We have to add the tag. Tell him about the recover card. Okay, that's the great, and we have to publish. Now, what happened? Whenever a lead came into our WordPress and it abandoned the cart, so this will trigger the workflow. Where is the trigger? So this will trigger the trigger the workflow. The workflow is in our Go High Level account. So I go to the that account, it will go to our this account, card distribution workflow. So why we have created an distribution workflow? The reason behind this, that the webhook, there is a single webhook, but in that single webhook we will be getting two type of, you can say, webhooks, one for the abandoned card and second one for completed card. So that's why we just create a workflow to distribute leads. For abandoned card, we will send them to the abandoned card workflow. In that workflow, we can add tag, or we can send them SMS or email. Upon that, we can recover the card amount. So as the lead will read the SMS, or he will go to the email, so there are fair chances that he is gonna complete the cart, and as he will complete the cart, we are gonna send those leads to completed cart. And in that, you can say, workflow, we are going to remove the lead from abandoned cart. So if the lead has purchased or successfully did the cart amount, so he should not, this is not fair that he should receive the SMS or emails. So I hope this automation will work for you, and if you are facing any difficulty, please reach out to me. I will deploy all these things because I have already verified, you can say, workflows for it and the whole scenario. And we can also create some more customized and complex automation on this to increase the our card recoveries. So thank you so much, and see you in next video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to do a comment for me. Thank you. Take care.